Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another cake tutorial. This time we're making a Zelda themed cake, so let's dive right in. As always, we'll start by frosting some cake. Here I've got vanilla funfetti, and I'm adding some colorful sprinkles to the buttercream. Top off the cake with the second layer and gently press down to even out the height. When frosting a square or rectangular cake, the trick is to add a thick layer of buttercream and then scrape it off with an offset spatula. And you're left with perfectly sharp edges. Now for the decorations, we'll start with this house. Take some gray fondant, cut it into a rectangle, and add details with a sculpting tool. I always refer back to a picture to help with color matching and getting the correct proportions. Adding lines for sections of the wall, and then also add an orange door. The cavity of the windows are filled with black fondant. Layering on gray strips and add the side shed. A thin layer of red for the roof and textured strips for the pink clay tiles. I painted the roof with some silver luster dust. And voila! Here's a second house made with the same technique. I've added a flower to complete the building. Roll out some green fondant and cover our chilled cake. Remove the excess and smooth out any air pockets. Here I'm making shaped boulders for the landscape, stacking some tan colored fondant on top of each other. As a child, I remember spending hours and hours playing Zelda on the Game Boy. With the pixelated tiny screen that didn't even have color, but I loved every minute of it. So this cake brings back so many childhood memories for me. Anyways, lay down the sandy colored paths. And then focus on the fence that surrounds the blue house by carefully placing down each piece of brown fondant. The trees are just green circles stacked and then placed on a brown stump. The best part I think is the grass. Cut out tiny rectangles and place them on a square plot of green fondant. This is iconic Zelda, and I just want to go through and trim the grass with the sword. Use black fondant for the chain link and also for Bow Wow, who's this dog type character. Place him next to the house like this. For Link, I sculpted his head, blonde hair, and then body using basic shapes. He's really not too complicated. And I just realized that I forgot his green hat. Oh well. Place him on the cake. Lastly, make the red creatures and place them on the cake too. Here's the final product. I hope you like it, and let me know if you have any questions or comments. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more cake videos. Until next time, bye!